The CITWC Nature Park is located on the campus of the Church of Toledo Westside Community Church at 6109 West Bancroft Street in Toledo, Ohio. To enter the nature park, take the driveway to the parking lot behind the church. I'm here at the CITWC Nature Park at the intersection of the West Trail and the Mayapple Trail, and I want to show what we've been doing this year. If you look down here at the lower corner on the right side, you might see something that's called Mayapple, and we were blessed with being able to extract some from another church's woods that has just loaded with Mayapples. So I just want to take this opportunity right now to show you what we've got going here, and now we can really truly call this the Mayapple Trail. Now they're a little wilted right now, but that's because they were just planted a week ago in the woods here along the Mayapple Trail, and they don't look like much right now. But next year, and years after this, they're going to start multiplying. Now, Mayapples multiply usually by rhizomes, which are, they put out the roots. There's some more over here. They put out the roots, and more Mayapples will grow from the roots. And they do produce a flower, which I don't think we have a whole lot of flowers on these. May not see them on here. Well, right there's a bud for a flower. Let's see if I can get, there's focus a little bit, pull back a little bit, and it produces, it puts out a white flower. And there's some more. And I see we have a tree that we need to unblock the trail here, and we'll get to that in the next week or so. Take a little detour, and now I counted that we planted about 200 new Mayapples along this trail, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like in a few years. And this is just going to be lots and lots of Mayapples growing along here. And here we are at the intersection of the main access trail, and I'm going to go across because we have more over here. And oh, there's a wild geranium over here. I get it into the picture. Where is it? There it is. And we got more Mayapples. Another blossom getting ready to open. We've had several days of rain. Yesterday was Mother's Day, and it was just loaded. It was an all-day soaker, which is kind of nice as far as growing stuff. Here we go. These are a couple wilted, but we do have a blossom there. Let me turn this around. This is what a Mayapple blossom looks like. And it will produce a little bit of a fruit. Maybe, it'll get about the size of a ping pong ball, or a little bit smaller. Here we got a nice one under here. Isn't that beautiful? Lift that up because it's hiding under there. And should we have some pollinators, flies, bees, whatever, see a whole bunch of them going along here. Get a lot of flies and bees, and they get pollinated. They will produce that little Mayapple. Mayapples are a spring plant, spring woodland. You see some of them in the distance. They come up in the spring, and then probably about the end of June, July, when it gets hot, the plants will die off. We got them on both sides here. I don't know which side to show and which side not to show. So you enthusiasts that like to see spring plants, in a couple of years this is just going to start loading up with these Mayapple plants, and it'll really be quite impressive. More over here at this side. So here we are. We're at the intersection of the East Trail and the Mayapple Trail here at the CITWC Nature Park. And this is Rex signing off.